Welcome to Quick Hub. In this video, we'll show you how to chat with Quick Assist, your built-in AI assistant, and the Quick Hub chatbot for instant support and answers anytime. Start by opening Quick Hub and head to the dashboard page. Here you'll find two ways to get help. First, let's try Quick Assist. Click on Talk with Quick Assist to open the chat window. Type your question or click the voice message icon to speak instead of typing. If you want to cancel a recording, click the red cross icon to stop it. Quick Assist remembers your context, so you can ask follow-up questions for more details. It instantly displays helpful answers on screen, and you can scroll through or keep chatting for deeper insights. Next, let's check out the Quick Hub chatbot. From the dashboard, click Need Assistance, then select Chat with Chatbot. Type your question in the message box, and within seconds, you'll see a helpful response right below. Keep asking questions. The chatbot will continue to guide you with accurate, real-time answers. You can revisit your previous chats anytime to review all conversations and responses. And that's it. You've just learned how to chat with both Quick Assist and the Quick Hub chatbot, your personal AI helpers for instant support and guidance. Stay tuned for more Quick Hub tutorials to help you make the most of every feature.